Hey everyone, let's talk money. More specifically, let's talk about moving your money. Have you ever looked at your Acorns account, watched those little acorns grow, and thought, man, I wonder if I can take this little forest and plant it somewhere else? You're not alone. Acorns has been a popular choice for micro-investing for a while now. But what happens when you're ready to spread your financial wings? Can you actually transfer your Acorns account to another platform? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, let's clarify what we mean by transferring an Acorns account. Are we talking about moving your entire account, including your investment portfolio and any cash balance? Or are we just talking about withdrawing your funds and closing the account? There's a big difference. So, can you move your entire Acorns account to another platform? Unfortunately, the short answer is no. Acorns doesn't offer a direct account transfer option. Bummer, right? But don't panic just yet. There's still hope for your Acorns. Let's talk about your options. If you want to move your investments to another platform, you'll need to sell your holdings and transfer the proceeds. It's a bit more work, but it's doable. You'll want to consider factors like potential tax implications and any fees associated with selling your investments. Now, what about the cash in your Acorns account? That's a different story. You can usually transfer this to your linked bank account without too much hassle. Just check Acorns' terms and conditions for specific details and any potential fees. But wait, there's more. Acorns does offer a few other options. You can open a traditional brokerage account with them. This might be a good choice if you're happy with Acorns as a platform but want more investment options. Or, if you're looking for a more hands-on approach, you could consider transferring your funds to a robo-advisor or even a full-service brokerage. Before you make any decisions, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of each option. Consider factors like fees, investment choices, customer service, and your overall financial goals. And don't forget to do your research. There are plenty of resources available online to help you compare different investment platforms. So, can you transfer your Acorns account? Not in the traditional sense. But you can definitely move your money. It might take a little extra effort, but it's possible. The key is to understand your options and choose the one that best suits your needs. Remember, this information is general in nature and doesn't constitute financial advice. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any major investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.